lads. I probably did that wrong. But
Butchered
anyways,
it, like every time.
I do it every single time.
Butcher it.
Wait, what?
You butchered it every time.
I literally I'm probably killing you guys with my horrible intro.
All non-signal operatives are considered hostile.
And we're having
A pistol and heavy shield battle.
yay. Where are you? Where are you?
Ah, tell him.
Where are you? Okay.
You should just say we're ripping.
I didn't say anything.
You
more.
said something.
I did not say
I
anything.
heard you.
That was hilarious. We're going in circles around the whole thing.
No.
You did! You did, son! You be dead. You'll never find me, dude. Don't scream. Oh, crap! Yeah. What? Oh, you be dead.
Dang.
Shield bash.
Wait, this is much harder than I thought it was.
Yeah.
I don't
Well,
like this.
Shield's kind of awesome, dude.
I don't like this.
Why not? Dude, we're
Maybe it's
recording
recording.
again.
No, don't.
Yeah, it's recording.
This sucks.
What's this recording? Okay. What else does? You do. Oh! Yeah. Okay. Okay. No! I see you! What'd you get? Oh, you got the Atlas gun thing. You got the Atlas gun thing. Okay. I just be coming in. You see you on my radar?
No, you don't.
I do. Seriously, I do.
I'm already.
Oh god, I'm just trying to cover. I just shoot. No.
Are you screen peeking?
No, I'm not.
Then how do you know that I'm aiming at you?
Because I'm just figuring it, dude. Since I am screen peeking a little bit. Combat battle. The other side, no, the other side. Come on. Okay, you wanna go? No. Yes. I did on my control. I just like.
I was wondering why you're not moving.
I just like.
Oh, I just kept hitting you, man. I was wondering why you
You mean
kept
like you bombed? I just died. Okay, there we go.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. I was like,
Okay,
I
wait.
just kept hitting you with my.
Okay.
Actually, a
okay,
tactical knife is a pretty
Uh-huh.
strategic choice.
I know, eh? Quick knifing, dude. You have a quick firing gun? Quick knifing. What the frick? You son of a jerk! What time is it?
Dude, you have enough time.
Yeah, I do.
Nathan is on a limited budget.
Yes,
with his
at times.
clocks. He just uses a phone.
No.
And he's always only over here for like an hour, but he comes like every day.
Basically, every day I can, dude. Every day I can. People in the comments be like, I ship it. I don't. And there's always be that one troll that goes, I ship it. That's not insane. Oh god, get out. No. I just did something, dude.
What do you do? He said you just did something that's very descriptive.
Yeah.
Dang it, I hate you!
No, you didn't. I used power. I know I'm using shielded.
I see you.
You do. I don't. No, you don't. What? How did you shoot through fuel? I like shot with a gun that does like 14 damage and didn't die.
I have a gun that does like 2 damage.
Wow. That's
Pretty-
impressive.
I know, but it's such a fast fire.
Dude, fire it. Fire it.
You're gonna give me.
Do
You're
it.
gonna give me self around the minimum.
I just want to see it, dude. I'll do it too, okay? Wow. Mine's overpowered though, dude. So.
I know, but I prefer faster firing. Because what if you miss the shot?
Mine
Or what
feels
if it doesn't kill him in one shot?
No.
Oh, no ammo. Oh, dang it.
Again.
I'm out of ammo.
You are?
Yeah.
Wow. Dang it. Wow.
Should I put...
Wow. I'm just like sprinting. You know, just getting that early day sprint. Making my day. Yep, exactly. Making my day downtown. No! Yeah.
Where did you go?
Everywhere. Okay.
I'm following you.
There you're not.
It's like you don't have a gun to use. I have to pick it up from your dead bodies.
Oh god! That's so... Where are you? Wow. Wapow! 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 Wait, do we both die? Yeah, we both died.
No, I'm still alive.
I can't get up, dude! I've fallen and I cannot get up. Okay, what's the score? Wow. 2-5.
What the heck is your guns? I need one of your guns. I don't care if it sucks.
I don't care if it sucks.
I don't know what you're there.
You jerk. You troll. Dang it. I just... How do you kill me, dude? I use like the shock thing. Or whatever it is. The crap. Don't you dare.
I need a gun.
You're out of ammo, dude.
I know.
Badly out of ammo. It's like a minute left, dude. It's pretty sad.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Oh, what was that? Oh!
Oh, I finally get more ammo. Thank
Oh.
you.
I did not think of that.
I would have kept killing you if I didn't get it. I still would have kept killing you if I didn't get ammo. So it really doesn't matter. I can't believe I shocked it. Did it do any damage?
Actually, I think it did. I don't know.
When I shocked
Hey,
it,
where are
I'm
you?
sure.
Where are you? Where are you?
Only the woodpecker farted on me.
What the frick? My god, it's a shield. What'd you do? No.
Oh, wait. I just...
Ah! Yay. Yes.
Oh! You broke my shield!
I did.
You broke my shield!
Of course I broke my shield. Sorry, your shield. Of course I broke my shield.
I damaged you so much. Though.
Yeah, like 30 seconds left, dude.
But I was near killing you, wasn't I?
Kind of. Exactly that.
You're too chickeny to admit it.
What either farted on me? Where are you? No! I see you. Yes. Dang it.
Recon standing by.
Dude, I won. Just give up.
No. Yes! I made it past the tunnel! You jerk.
Now that's how it's done. RTB for
Okay.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and maybe, well, you're screaming. Jaren, take it away. See you guys later.